Welcome to Jinjiang in Shanghai Lujiabang Road Metro Station, where comfort meets convenience in the heart of Shanghai. Scan the QR code on screen now to reserve your stay. Nestled just moments from the vibrant pulse of the city, this 3-star sanctuary offers a refined retreat for discerning travelers, blending modern elegance with effortless accessibility. Since its debut in 2009 and meticulous renovation in 2013, the hotel has welcomed guests with 76 thoughtfully designed rooms, each a haven of tranquility adorned with contemporary touches and every essential amenity. Whether you're here for business or leisure, the prime location, merely 3.5 kilometers from the city center, places Shanghai's iconic landmarks, bustling markets, and electrifying nightlife at your fingertips. Step outside, and the Lujiabang Road Metro Station awaits, a gateway to seamless exploration across this dynamic metropolis. Complimentary Wi-Fi ensures you stay connected, while the generous check-in and check-out times, from noon to noon, cradle your journey in uninterrupted ease. Perfect for those who value both sophistication and practicality, Jinjiang Inn promises an experience where every detail is crafted with your comfort in mind. Don't forget to scan the QR code to secure your reservation and embrace the perfect blend of luxury and convenience.